Welcome to Words Behind the Stories. Today, we'll explore 6 powerful words through the story of young Krishna, who lifted Govardhan Hill to protect his people. The villagers in Vrindavan faced a calamity. They stood vulnerable, searching for shelter. Calamity means a great disaster or misfortune. Vulnerable means open to harm or attack, defenseless. The heavy rain turned homes into ruins, cattle into wanderers, and hearts into vessels of desperation. Desperation is a state of hopelessness that leads to urgent action. Krishna stepped forward with fortitude. With an unflinching hand, he lifted Govardhan Hill, becoming their shield. Fortitude means courage and strength of mind in facing hardship. Unflinching means unwavering, not shaken by fear or pressure. This act was pure defiance, a bold stand against Indra's arrogance. Krishna proved humility outweighs pride, and he stood tall against the storm until peace returned. Defiance means bold resistance against authority or opposition. When Indra realized his folly, he bowed before Krishna. The storm ceased, and harmony returned to Vrindavan. Folly means a lack of good sense. Harmony means peaceful unity, balance, or agreement. Recap: calamity means a great disaster or misfortune. Vulnerable means open to harm or attack, defenseless. Desperation is a state of hopelessness leading to urgent action. Fortitude means courage and strength of mind in facing hardship. Unflinching means unwavering, not shaken by fear or pressure. Defiance means bold resistance against authority or opposition. Thanks for watching.